Hello, my name is Alva Bennett and I'm a BSHC in software development, and this is my final year project for software called Clueless. So, a bit of a project description. Clueless is an everyday virtual wardrobe to help users find outfits from images saved to a database. This project is aimed to create a simple and inclusive way for users to try on clothing they already have or in shops for an easier try-on experience using AR technology. Project aims. So I wanted to create an Android application that had camera functionality within the app that sent the data to a Firebase database and use OpenCV for body detection for the AR technology. Some things I've achieved: I've designed an application, I've learned research skills, and I've showed what I've learned in NCI so far. Challenges that I've faced: some fragments problems I had with Android Studio, as they are more updated version than what I was planning to use for OpenCV. Just things were incompatible with this version of Android. And also managing the scope of the project. There was a lot of research that had to take place during the project, which shortened my time a lot. Some lessons learned: time management. I definitely had to plan out a bit more ahead of time. Research is such a big part of all these projects, and I really learned to assess every option that is possible before attempting anything. And the version compatibility is a big part of these projects as well. If things aren't compatible with certain types, then it really doesn't seem to work. Some ambitions I have for the future: I'd love to continue on working on this project. I'd love to use it for enhancing shopping, online shopping, in-store shopping as well. It's due to the pandemic, people didn't really want to try on clothes or take clothes home and bring them back, so I think it would have been a really good thing to have during that time. Also for disability usage, people with disabilities or mobility issues find it really hard to try on clothes, take clothes on and off, so it'd be a really good application for people like that. I'd like to realistically assess the specifications again. I think the scope of this project was too big for the time frame. And this is just a demo of what I have in Android Studio. So as it stands, this is the application here. On open, there is a splash screen, and then it goes on to the main activity, which is a image view with a button, and this is the camera just in the emulator. Take a picture, it is saved. You can see here it's in the database assistant that is connected to the Firebase. So just a bit of the code that I was working with. So within the code, here's the main activity, which calls the camera and uses the button to call the camera, and it starts this activity down here. So on result, it changes the image file into a bitmap, which is then stored in the Firebase database, and it is uploaded on success. We get these delivered to the database. Now, again, that's what the fragment looks like, or the layout looks like, and the layout for the this is the Java class for the database, which again retrieves images and gets the instances of the database, and then retrieves them and sends it to the database. Thank you very much for your time. Brilliant.